Hello, and welcome to this SAP Ariba Customer Self-Service video. In this video, we will show how to enable the Smart Import and Intelligent Supplier Recommendation features, two artificial intelligence features designed to enrich your guided sourcing experience. Customers sometimes struggle with creating content and finding the right suppliers for their RFI and RFP events. Guided sourcing has two features that can help, the Smart Import and Intelligent Supplier Recommendations features. However, both features require some quick enablement to train the AI models. Let's take a look at what's required. First, you must be an SAP Ariba sourcing customer and you must have guided sourcing enabled in your site. And after enabling these features, you'll be able to use the Smart Import to convert unstructured spreadsheets to line items, questions, and requirements. You'll also be able to use the Intelligent Supplier Recommendation to automatically recommend suppliers and guided sourcing events based on past contracts and events. Let's start by training the Smart Import model. First, click on Manage, Administration. Then on the left-hand side, scroll down in the pane to Enrichment Manager and click Model Wizard. In Enrichment Selection, the first step, select Sourcing Unstructured. Then click directly on Step 3, Train. We have to set a date range for data for the model to train. SAP Ariba suggests using the last calendar year. Once you've selected a date range for your data, click Generate Training File. Click OK. Give the solution a few moments and click Refresh. Below, you will see the file with the training information. In the column Action, change None to Post to Training. Click OK. You've successfully trained the file to use the Smart Import feature. Now, let's configure the file to automatically update itself. Click on Step 2, Configure. Click on Advanced Settings. And under the Advanced Settings box, scroll to the bottom and click Auto Train Yes. Then click the Update button. You've successfully trained the Smart Import model and you've set it to automatically update itself. Now that we've finished setting up the Smart Import model, let's move to the Intelligent Supplier Recommendations model. This feature requires activating a parameter in the Intelligent Configuration Manager. In Administration, click Intelligent Configuration Manager, Manage Configurations, and click Continue. A new browser tab will appear. Click on Sourcing and Contracts, Parameters, and search for the words Supplier Recommendation. Select Enable Supplier Recommendations and Guided Sourcing Events, and change the value to Yes to activate the parameter. Click Add to Package, give your package a name, and click Submit Package. The page will refresh, and in the Activities feed, you will see that the package is ready to test, meaning it was deployed in your test site. Note that when you wish to deploy this feature to your production site, you can navigate back to the ICM, back to your package, and click the prompts to deploy to your production site. Now that we've enabled the Intelligent Supplier Recommendation model, from Administration, let's train the model. In Enrichment Manager, click Model Wizard, choose Supplier Recommendation, and then click on Step 3, Train. Select a trailing year of data, and click Generate Training File. Click OK. Give the solution a few moments to generate the file, then click Refresh. You'll see your file here. Again, in the Actions column, change the selection from None to Post to Training, and click OK. And we've posted our training file to use the Intelligent Supplier recommendation feature. Now let's click on Configure, Advanced Settings, and let's change Auto Train to Yes, so the file will automatically update itself in the future. Congratulations! You've successfully enabled and trained the AI models for smart import and intelligent supplier recommendations. For further information, please reference the SAP Help documentation.